record.
Now, go. I'll walk behind you.
No, I don't want to. No, it's hissing at me. No.
What? Well, you can carry on. That little bridge. You go that way around that corner. Turn away. And then we'll do the bottom one after. Look where you filmed the camera.
They patched the hole up. Oh, that's bad. $336 a 300 and something vid is gonna be all.
What you see on screen is what you're filming. Yeah?
Bertie Bagel. I'm recording Bertie Bagel. So they've all seen Bertie Bagel, haven't they?
It's on that way, you start seeing the lake around there.
But you can't really see as much of that. It's kind of rare you can see squirrels down here, isn't it?
Straight down to the other side again and just straight down to the next place. Dad, how about you split the vid into 2 pieces? Do you want me to film this whole way? Oh no, it's all the way around, it's kind of like normal. It was better if one long video, so then I've got all the way through, you see.
I just split a bit, I did, into 2 sections.
Okay. I can put them together, right?
Yeah, yeah, what I want you to do, because they make it more dazzling an effect. So I'm kind of clever thinking, aren't I? Oh God, there's all these. Okay, 5. 50. It's an army of geese. Yeah, what I'm doing right now. Bertie Vegas! Bert on camera. Yeah, I can't really get that. I'm filming the geese. I go scare them all. They start hissing at me then put it away. Oh God. God, no, don't.
You're getting away from
Geese. In the vid, Dad, I want you to do something. I want you to say, an army of geese trying to take over the world. Only joking. Yeah. Oh God, I'm walking past bird poo. Camel poo. Geese poo. Squirrel! Oh yeah, I see you, squirrel! I figured out how.
Yeah, we want to find one there. That's where we went one the other day. We did all that talking. They all thought we had it on mute, didn't they?
Here, as you can see, is the best bit of Hillside. The best at Longton Park. We've got quite a few pieces here. Very good for fishing, but not so sure if it's hard waters or not, but we're still going to try come fishing here.
What? That's in the bait shop up the road, about 50.
You gotta go
Bait shop.
the bait shop up here, up the road. Get a day ticket to go fishing here. But caution, there are loads of geese. It's a nice, wonderful park. You can take your kids to go on the park, and there's loads of good stuff you can really see around here. And it's good for walking dogs because there's loads of good stuff for them. And it's a big, massive place, and you can give them loads, make them run out of energy dead quick. Just ignore them noises on the road because it's by the road and it's a nature area. You can find loads of lovely people, squirrels and birds. It's very rare you can see a squirrel though. You can see ducks. It's a good place. Take your kids out on a family adventure and go everywhere. Just for a fun day out. As you can see, we got peg 1 peg 2's coming right up. They're not completely separated, obviously, but they're a bit of range out of distance. There are loads of fish in here, I think. I'm not very sure, but can't really check because don't want to get camera soggy and wet. So the more the merrier, you can hear me. Here's peg 4. Coming up is peg 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 5 means 6, 7, 8 is shortly coming up. 8, 9 and 10 coming up right now. You'll see it shortly. Nice lovely view you get walking around. It's a good place to take your dog because it's a nice, got loads of nature and you can take them anywhere around here. Dogs are allowed and we're coming back to an end soon. I'll have to end the video soon, so just bearing in mind as soon as we get across one of these bridges we can take this bridge, nice fancy posh bridge. It just takes you to the other side. You can go that way if you want, or you can go that way. And let's go back. There is a third bridge, but it's a lot further away. And technically there are 2 bridges, 3 bridges, actually 4 bridges if I'm correct. And I'm taking you down one of the bridges. Oh, as you can see, we're coming close to a little squirrel. Squirrels here. Stay close. Come back, squirrel. Come on, squirrel, I'm not gonna hurt you. There should be a squirrel in there somewhere. Don't know if you can see it very well because it's hiding. And that's the end of the video.